Imagine having the power to heal your gut naturally and fast, without complicated diets, meds, or expensive supplements. What if we told you there's one food that can work wonders for your digestive health, speeding up gut repair like nothing else? Whether if you have bloating, indigestion, or major gut issues like leaky gut, or irritable bowel syndrome, this one food can be the key. Today, we're revealing the number one food that can heal your gut fast. Welcome back to Levitas. Your gut lining is a crucial barrier between your body and the outside world. It's responsible for absorbing nutrients, keeping harmful toxins out, and regulating your immune system. Think of it as your gut's first line of defense. When your gut lining is healthy, it ensures that nutrients pass into your bloodstream, while bad bacteria and toxins are kept out. But when this protective barrier becomes damaged, it opens the door to a host of health problems. When your gut health is compromised, you can experience a wide range of unpleasant symptoms that go beyond just digestive issues. Poor gut health can lead to problems like bloating, gas, and chronic indigestion. But it doesn't stop there. An unhealthy gut has been linked to autoimmune conditions, allergies, mood disorders like anxiety and depression, and even skin issues such as acne or eczema. One of the major issues that arise from poor gut health is leaky gut syndrome. This condition occurs when the gut lining becomes too permeable, allowing harmful substances like bacteria, toxins, and undigested food particles to pass into the bloodstream. When this happens, your immune system reacts with inflammation, which can lead to various chronic conditions. Poor gut health can also disrupt the balance of beneficial bacteria in your digestive tract, weakening your immune system, affecting your mood, and making it harder to lose weight. If you want to achieve overall well-being, healing your gut is one of the most important steps you can take. What can you do about gut health? What is that simple food that holds the key to repairing your gut and restoring that delicate balance? That food is kefir. So, how does it work, how to take it, how much, its side effects, and how to make it? All the answers, right next. But what exactly is kefir, and how does it heal your gut? Kefir is a fermented drink that's been around for thousands of years. Made from either milk or water, kefir contains a powerful blend of live bacteria and yeast, known as probiotics. It's similar to yogurt but packs an even greater punch when it comes to gut health. The fermentation process gives kefir its unique taste and texture, while also boosting its nutritional value. So, kefir isn't just another probiotic drink, it's a powerhouse of gut healing. So, how exactly does kefir work to heal your gut? Kefir contains probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics, all of which play a role in gut repair. Probiotics are the good bacteria that your gut needs to stay balanced. Kefir contains 50 strains of beneficial bacteria and yeasts, making it one of the most diverse probiotic foods available. These probiotics help repopulate your gut with healthy bacteria, which improves digestion, boosts immunity, and reduces inflammation in the gut lining. Prebiotics are fibers that feed the probiotics. Kefir provides both the beneficial bacteria and the food those bacteria need to thrive. This synergy between probiotics and prebiotics enhances gut health by creating a more diverse and resilient microbiome. Postbiotics are the metabolic byproducts of probiotics. These substances have powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, further supporting the healing of your gut lining and promoting overall digestive health. Together, these elements work in harmony to restore your gut's natural balance and repair any damage to the gut lining. The good news is, you don't have to spend a lot of money to get high-quality kefir. Making your own kefir at home is simple and cost-effective. All you need are kefir grains, which are a combination of lactic acid bacteria and yeast. You can find kefir grains online or in health food stores. Here's how to make milk kefir at home. 1. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of kefir grains to a glass jar. 2. Pour in about 2 cups of whole milk, organic and grass-fed is best for added health benefits. Cover the jar with a cloth or paper towel and secure it with a rubber band. 3. Leave it at room temperature for 24 to 48 hours, depending on how tangy you like your kefir. 4. Once the fermentation process is complete, gently strain out the kefir grains and transfer the liquid to a bottle. Use the grains again to make a new batch. For water kefir, simply replace the milk with sugar water or coconut water, and follow the same steps. Enjoy your homemade kefir. When starting kefir, it's best to begin with small amounts to allow your gut to adjust to the influx of probiotics. Start with about a quarter to half cup per day and gradually increase to 1 cup daily. Consume it regularly for lasting benefits to your gut health. Although kefir is a powerful tool for gut healing, it's important to be aware of potential side effects, especially if you're new to probiotic-rich foods. Some people experience mild digestive discomfort when they first start drinking kefir. This can include bloating, gas, or stomach cramps as your gut adjusts to the new bacteria. These symptoms are usually temporary and should subside as your gut flora becomes more balanced. If you find the side effects too uncomfortable, try reducing your intake and gradually increasing it over time. Another consideration is that kefir is typically made from dairy, which may cause issues for people who are lactose intolerant. However, many individuals with lactose intolerance can tolerate kefir because the fermentation process breaks down lactose. If you're concerned about dairy, you can try making water kefir, which offers similar benefits without the dairy. Rarely, people with severely compromised immunity or certain underlying health conditions should consult a healthcare provider before introducing kefir into their diet. The benefits of kefir far outweigh the risks. By incorporating this gut-healing food into your diet, you can experience better digestion, reduced inflammation, improved immunity, and faster gut lining recovery. In conclusion, kefir stands out as a powerful, natural remedy for gut health due to its unique combination of probiotics, prebiotics, and postbiotics. Its probiotic-rich profile replenishes the good bacteria in your gut, enhancing digestion and reducing inflammation, while prebiotics feed these beneficial microbes to create a balanced and resilient microbiome. The postbiotics, produced as a result, add anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits that further aid gut healing. Making your own kefir is simple, cost-effective, and provides a continuous source of this potent drink. Despite potential mild side effects during the initial stages of use, the overall benefits of kefir, from improving digestion to boosting immunity and repairing gut lining, make it a valuable addition to any food plan and restoring gut health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.